Теперь говори.
So the cancer vaccine either prevents infections with cancer-causing viruses, or treats already existed cancer, or prevents it from developing in the organism. So the cancer vaccines are designed to boost the body's natural ability to protect itself through the immune system from.
Do you not do anything?
Mr. Dupuy?
Oh, just touch the screen again?
Yeah. Through the immune system from dangers posed by damage or abnormal cells such as cancer cell. There is two types of vaccine that already existed and approved by U.S. Food and Drug Administration. It's vaccines to prevent cancer, vaccines against the hepatitis B viruses, which can cause liver cancer, and vaccines against human papillomavirus, which has 70% in the world.
Okay, so how do vaccines stimulate the immune system? They just go and inject the thing in your skin, and then they go as a vaccine, as the cells of vaccine. And you can see that there is antibodies that come to check what kind of cells or organisms came into your body. And actually those vaccines they're like a virus, but like the virus that stimulates the immune antibodies. It became the same thing, so it's like more of the antibodies in the organism. It helps to prevent the danger of any illnesses, viruses. Maybe sometimes it helps to destroy the cancer, but it's like on the first or second stage. The first stage, when cancer spreads through your body, it affects the nervous system. You cannot do anything because the immune system is already destroyed. So that's how it works. And so actually the preventive vaccine which are intended to prevent cancer from developing in healthy people. So what can I say about that?
It basically prevents the body from developing the cancer cells. So if you inject the vaccine, it helps to stimulate your immune system that the cancer cell will like develop further and become a huge cancer that you need to make a surgery for.
For the surgery. Treatment vaccines which are intended to treat an existing cancer by strengthening the body's natural defenses against the cancer. So how I said, the treatment vaccines, they're stimulating the immune system. And what they do, they just make it more larger, and by antibodies, all of this stuff, the system starts to work more faster. But still, even if the cancer is from the DNA, and it's like a time bomb, you don't know when it starts. It starts, some scientists tell that it starts from sun radiation. Some tells that it starts from because of the nervous system. Some people have a lot of stress, and that's why the cancer can start. But probably we don't know when it starts. We have to like visit doctor like once in a month to check. When we get older, like 21 or 18 years old, we have to go like, to health center like every month.
But basically it's treatment vaccine.
And this treatment just stimulates the immune system, right?
No, it's aimed to already fight the developed cancer that you like. If you already have the cancer that develops and going further, if you inject this vaccine, it helps to stop cancer cells to grow furthermore.
And vaccines is not the thing that will just destroy it. Vaccines is made for only helping your organism to fight something. And this one helps to fight cancer. So, video.
And now we have a video that shows that in America they have, like, they're trying to create a new vaccine that will treat cancer fully. Like, it's only they want, it's not existing, but they're trying.
Tell you today about work on development of a vaccine against cancer.
A promising weapon in the war on cancer launched right here in Western New York. Good evening to you. Roswell Park Cancer Institute is paving the way to new hope for cancer patients.
The renowned hospital is now testing a possible vaccine, one that could wipe out cancer cells and prevent them from coming back. This would revolutionize treatment for cancer patients.
And we have team coverage tonight, beginning with News 4 senior correspondent Rich Newberg, who is live from Roswell Park. Rich?
Well, this vaccine has so much potential, according to researchers here at Roswell Park, that it may become one of the key ways of treating cancer and preventing relapse. Researchers at Roswell Park Cancer Institute have created a vaccine designed to kill cancer cells in the body and prevent them from coming back.
We are launching a new clinical trial that will harness the power of the immune system to fight cancer.
The vaccine, produced in a special chamber that strictly controls temperature and atmospheric gases, will use a special protein that will recruit an army of killer immune cells that seek out and destroy cancer.
To train your immune system to recognize cancer and to fight it off.
What is truly remarkable about this discovery is that the vaccine is designed to train the body's defenses to never forget how to kill cancer cells. Roswell Park immunologist Dr. Protul Shrikant discovered that a drug called rapamycin, used for many years to prevent rejection of organ transplants, also produces immune cells that in a sense have memory, always remembering that cancer cells are bad and should be attacked and killed. He said the discovery was quite accidental.
It's kind of serendipitous because we just tested this concept that came from nowhere in a laboratory setting, and it did work, and it was hard to imagine.
18 to 20 patients fighting many different forms of cancer will be chosen for the first phase of clinical trials. Nancy Holloman, a fundraiser at Roswell Park, who has fought 3 types of cancer, most recently of the breast, hopes she will be among them. She wants the potential protection the vaccine offers.
To know that you could have something that would be in your system and have this memory and be there long term, I think would just give you just another little, help you with your peace of mind.
If the first phase of clinical trials is successful, larger studies will be conducted. It may be several years before the vaccine could be marketed, if it's proven to be a cancer fighter for the life of the patient. Now, early indications are that this new vaccine will not only fight cancer, but also spare the patient the unpleasant side effects of other cancer treatments. Reporting live at Roswell Park, Rich Newberg, News 4 at 5.
So, I'm going to just want to say that the medicine is like, they run a lot of drugs, like for cancer and for other viruses, but like they can, if they will go further and start to developing, like finding out where is like the vaccine, which one is the best to treat the cancer fully and stop it from coming back. It's good to help the other patients in the future. Thank you.
And sources.
Yes,
It's okay.
We got time for one more.
The only thing that me and Dexter played, because we recorded yesterday in my room, and it took about 12 minutes.
Okay, well, if we need a few extra minutes.